If you're a heat and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what are your goals for the next year and why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Silvenbell, coming to you live from Honolulu, Oahu, on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you for HVAC technician sales secrets. Okay, as I am filming this video, it is late November, early December 2024. And in about 2 weeks, you're gonna have people come to you and say, hey, person, what are your goals for the next year? And I'm gonna highly recommend that you really sit down and think about what is it that you want to achieve? What are the things that you want to do? And I try to keep things as simple as possible. I used to try to list out page after page after page after page. The approach that I take now, that has been very beneficial for me, is I look at health, I look at wealth, and I look at personal issues, okay? Health, wealth, personal situations, I should say. So health, I gotta let you know, 2025 is up on the board, gotta lose about 60 pounds. Love the food, love the sugar, love the chocolate. So goals for me include making sure that I go to the gym and that I eat healthy, okay? So then we go to wealth. So for me, I have this belief that next year is the year of the offer. 2025 is the year of the offer. So I always have to have an offer running. You want to buy something, as long as it's good for you and good for me, we should get together and work together, okay? And then there's like personal relationships. How do I get together find a significant other, okay? How do I get along with my brothers and sisters and my mom and the rest of my family? The reason I bring this up is a lot of times people are like, well, you know, you gotta be smart, measurable, actionable. Like they got this whole list, which all that stuff is true, but I have always found the more complicated something is, the less of a chance you have of doing it. So, 3 areas of your life, 5 goals each, gives you 15 goals, make them smart, measurable, you know, reactive, all of the cool things that comes to making a smart goal, and it makes it that much easier. Now, there's gonna be a time where you fall off, and let's talk about that, but before we get there, you should absolutely join my email publication. Go to this URL, type it into a browser, drop in your name, your email address, your phone number. It's an email publication. You get emails from me. I'm not gonna call you, okay? You'll get emails. So, here's what happens, is people start the year strong. They're like, yes, I'm doing amazing. I'm into the year, it's January, and then they fall off. We all do, right? We should just plan for it and like, hey, my year, I'm probably gonna fall off. I'm probably gonna make a mistake, and instead of sticking to the carnivore diet, I'm gonna find some chocolate or ice cream. Okay, I'm just gonna start over. A year can be January 15th through January 15th. A year can be March 1st to March 1st. A year can be June 17th to June 17th. I make mistakes, we make mistakes, and the best way to figure out like, what am I gonna do? It's not, am I going to fall off? You're gonna fall off, right? You're gonna fall off. Very few goals in my life have I been very consistent with. One of them's YouTube. Put up a YouTube video like for every day for like almost last 2 years. I put up YouTube videos every day for 5 years, okay? So there's things that we can do that are consistent, and then there's things that we fall off on, including me. There might be a day where I'm like, oh, I really don't want to put a YouTube video out. I try to put them out 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time every day. It doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes it's noon, sometimes it's 5 o'clock, sometimes it's 9 o'clock. Just depends upon what's happening in my life. I highly encourage you to figure out whatever your goals are, do them for you. Don't do them for me. Don't make them like, oh, like I gotta do this for Scott. I'm not gonna judge you. As long as it's legal and moral, I'll give you a high five. I'll be like, good job, you got this, you can do it. If it's illegal and you're making stuff up and you're lying, I'm gonna like, boo, boo, you don't have to do that. You don't have to live that lifestyle, right? Work on your goals, spend about an hour this week if you got some time, find some time, make some time. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here, just 1 of 3, find the subscribe button, click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.